I'm Valaska from Gems Aaron English High School, Dubai. I attended the DeMind program.
And I attended the DeLead program,
DeStyle program,
the DeCode program,
DeSports program conducted by the DeMind Institute of Management and Technology, Dubai.
I didn't realize how much I needed the DeLead program until I was in it. It completely changed my look on leadership.
As someone who's been really interested into AI, DeCode was eye-opening. I learned more about AI, clouds, and even dived into Industry 5.0. DeCode made the world of computer science feel energetic, amazing, and exciting.
The DeMind program helped me understand something we all deal with, our thoughts. It also opened my eyes to careers in psychology and how important mental health is.
If you're even a little creative about fashion designing, then DeStyle is for you. I realized that it could be more than just a hobby for me, it could actually be a career for me.
From marketing to athletic branding, the session shed light on the various career opportunities available in the sports ecosystem.
Each of these programs gave us more than just knowledge.
They gave us clarity,
Confidence,
And a fresh perspective on a future.
So if you're thinking about a career,
Don't wait.
take that first step.
and discover what you're capable of at DeMind.